Hey Santa, Santa, hey Santa.
What?
Hey Santa, Santa, hey Santa.
What?
Hey Santa, Santa, hey Santa.
What do you want?
Look at my Christmas tree.
Where did that come from? Anyway, you know the other browsers are making it, and they're better than you.
Okay, you're lost.
Hey Safari,
Santa, look at my Christmas tree.
what's that?
It's a Christmas tree.
What's on that?
Lights.
Are you sure?
I don't have to play into the tree.
Oh, go away.
Okay, you're lost.
Hey Firefox,
Look at my Christmas tree.
what's on that?
Decorations.
No, they're not decorations.
Yeah, they just haven't loaded yet.
Aren't you meant to be fast?
Only web pages, not images.
Oh, get lost.
If you insist.
Hi IE.
Look, tree.
What's that?
It's a pop-up, colourful. Hee hee hee.
Oh, give me a break.
I'll help Santa.
Thanks, Roblox Explorer.
What was wrong with my Christmas tree?